Hello everyone, welcome to a new video, short update for Bitcoin. Of course, this is a very short video is gonna be because just someone wrote me a comment that we might be already in a wave 5 towards the upside, and it's a good point actually because if you remember, we already said we might be in an impulse here where it is possible that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even knowing that the wave 5 is deviated and is not impulsive, but still it can be an expanding diagonal in that case. So the possibility is there. So what if, right? Always what if. So in that case scenario, let's give some targets. In case we are in 1, 2 here, this was your wave 2 here as A, B, and a C, or WXY, because this is a zigzag definitely. So your common targets are, of course, for the 1.618, of course, fib level, given from the start of this impulse to the end of the impulse and to the wave 2 here, if possibly we are in a bullish scenario, right? So don't forget that this is only a possibility, not a very sure, because the triangle is still playing very nicely, right? So what I'm expecting, of course, highest possibility is still for the triangle in a wave 4 because it's a very characteristic of a triangle, and it is preferably that we take the low in case we are not triangle. And yes, so this is the thing that I already mentioned today as well, that we might have already bottomed. I mentioned that we have a bullish signals on the KGT, of course, as we see, still seeing it right now, right? On the 3 minute, we can still see some, some CVDs towards the upside, as you can see here, this bullish scenario, this bullish signal, sorry, and as this higher low, right? And we see also like kind of divergence with it. And the more we go higher, the more we will get divergences. Now, of course, with a smallest signal. So as you can see here, it is kind of like divergence, but yeah, there is no convergence of bearish anymore as it was before, right? We were looking for a lot of conversions with the price, but not anymore. Now we are looking, of course, for kind of a sideways, and of course the price is not so much converging, and even we still looking towards the upside. So what I would say, the possibility is there, right? If in case that we are still impulsive as a wave 1. So let's put it there, 2 and then 3, 4, 5. This is a possibility. Your wave 3 might be your next target at 107, which would be, yeah, nice to see, of course, the 5 digits for a Bitcoin, right? But don't forget, guys, that yeah, there is still one more scenario as bearish still playing very well, which is a triangle. Let's draw it as well. You have here a wave D to be finished and wave E, of course, as well to be finished. So I prefer to remove this path since it has not totally been realized. As we said, we want to see a zigzag here, and this is exactly what's going on. So basically, if you are looking at higher prices, this should be impulsive, guys, because a zigzag is an impulse up correction and then another impulse up, right? So this might be the thing, and it might be 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is only your first leg of your impulse, and then getting another correction, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah, just to finish the wave D. So it might even take longer time. Don't be very rush into it. It's a correction. It takes time, of course, and then getting one more zigzag down somehow like this, and then of course moving towards the upside. I told you today the title of the video was, of course, are we going a sharp, like for a sharper correction, or are we just going longer in time? And this is exactly what I meant with it. So I think we are going longer in time with a correction, with a longer, of course, triangle. So these are the targets, guys. I mean, the triangle I never gave target. It's not tradable at all because it's very tricky, okay, guys, because your wave E might be very, very short even, don't forget, finishing in the middle of your triangle and then explosion towards the upside. It can also a possibility to hit even the lower trend, get out of it, fake out, and then booming towards the upside just to fake out, okay? So be careful with triangle. I never trusted, and that's why I never traded. that is a lot of coins that you can trade already. I already give many and plenty analysis for other coins, so try just, yeah, I mean, no, of course, no financial advice, but triangles are very, very tricky and risky. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your comments and likes. See you in the next one. Bye bye.